To understand how the OAK Compare tool works, let's start by opening two different versions of the same spreadsheet with unknown changes to the user. There are clearly several differences between the two spreadsheets, mostly due to the new inserted rows. Without a proper mechanism for worksheets alignment, a cell-by-cell comparison would flag nearly all the cells across the worksheet as a change between versions. To OAK compare the two different spreadsheets, start by selecting the OAK Review ribbon, click the Compare button and choose Workbooks. The Compare options are now shown, and the first step is to select which spreadsheets are to be compared, Model version 1 and Model version 2 in our example, and we are comparing here all the worksheets in both files. The Align Row and Align Column tools are both very useful options because it is very rare to find two perfectly aligned worksheets ready for comparison. The comparison should be based on the cell formulas and not on their values. Progress bars show the alignment mechanism running and then the sheet-by-sheet comparisons. Once the process finishes, the Compare Results workbook is presented, whereby the number of differences and rows inserted for the alignment are shown. And just as important, OAK maps the differences on the compared worksheets using the colours defined. The inserted rows for the alignment are clearly identified in yellow and the cell differences in blue. Another feature on the OAK Compare tool is the fact that all the compare changes can be removed even after the files were saved.